Stop letting snack time kill your weight loss goals. If you're tired of tiny, unsatisfying snacks, you need these wraps. They're all less than 340 calories, but deliver a massive protein punch that keep you full for hours. Today, I'm turning simple chicken nuggets and high fiber tortillas into 3 delicious flavor bombs: Cajun, spicy buffalo, and sweet and spicy Asian. Let's get started. First, we'll air fry 3 servings or 9 ounces of just bare chicken nuggets for 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And while that's cooking, we'll make our sauces. For the Cajun ranch, combine a half cup of non-fat Greek yogurt with a half tablespoon Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. Add salt and pepper and mix well. For the yum yum sauce, add a half cup of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, half a teaspoon of chili garlic sauce, and a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. Add salt and stir. For the blue cheese dressing, mix half a cup of Greek yogurt with 1 tablespoon of crumbled blue cheese, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a quarter teaspoon of onion powder. Add salt and pepper and combine. Once the nuggets are done, quickly spread them out and dice them into smaller, wrap-friendly pieces. Each wrap gets 3 ounces of chicken. For the Cajun wrap, toss the chicken in Cajun seasoning, and then spread the Cajun ranch on your high-fiber tortilla. Layer with romaine lettuce and thinly sliced red onions. Add the seasoned chicken and drizzle some more sauce on top. Wrap it tightly and slice. For the buffalo wrap, toss the chicken in your favorite buffalo sauce, and then spread the blue cheese dressing on the tortilla. Add romaine lettuce and the buffalo chicken. Wrap it, slice it, and done. For the Asian wrap, let's first make our sweet Asian glaze. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, half a teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and a half teaspoon of monk fruit sweetener. Whisk thoroughly, and then brush the chicken with this glaze until fully coated. Now for the wrap, spread the yum yum sauce on the tortilla, top with a cabbage mix, and then the ginger glazed chicken. Add fresh cilantro, roll it up, and done. These 3 wraps are your secret to staying full, energized, and on track with your weight loss goals. Make them this week and let me know your favorite in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and check out my other weight loss recipes right here.